Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Embroidery Hub. I'm Willy, and today in this episode I'm going to show you how to embroider a monogram on a pair of boots. This is a fun little project that is a great way to create personalized gifts that you can give to your family members or friends, or you can offer the service to your customers and charge them a premium for it since it's a specialty item. Now for this project I'll be using the MT1501 machine and our mighty hoop to embroider the monogram onto these boots. I'll also walk you through each step of the process and go over the profit potential so that you can try this at home and know how much you can make by providing this service in your shop. But before I get started, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos and projects like this. And if you have any other ideas for future episodes, drop them in the comment section below. Alright, let's go ahead and jump right in. Alright guys, so these are the materials we're going to be using today. We have our 100% polyester thread. This is a 40 weight. We have our 80 by 12 size needles. These are sharp point. Now the reason why I'm using the 80 by 12 size needle is because our leather is a little thicker than a usual fabric. And today we're going to be using the mighty hoop to really grab onto our boots. And obviously we're going to be using the boots. Now this boot has a zipper in the back so it can be easier for us. If you guys don't purchase a boot that has a zipper in the back, you can always use a robot frame which we have on sale. If you guys want to learn more about this robot frame, scroll down to the description below. I'll have a link there for you. Now the robot frame is mainly used for shoes and really tight places where you can't get any other hoop to hold on to. If you guys want to see us make a video using the robot frame, go ahead and let us know in the comments below. Now since the leather is thick enough, we're not going to be using any stabilizer. So for today's episode, I'm using the Ricoma MT1501. This is a 15 needle machine. I've used it in previous videos. If you guys want to check those out, scroll down to the description below. If you guys want to check out related videos like these, go ahead and check them down in the description below. Okay guys, so let's go into our profit potential and how much we could actually make out of these boots. Now I got these boots for $60 because I got them at a local store. Now you can find these boots online for $40, and if you buy them wholesale, you can probably find them for less. Now we looked online and you can sell these boots once you put the monogram on for around $75. So that means that you'll be getting a profit of around $35. Alright, so let's start hooping now. The first thing I'm going to do is get my boot and open the zipper up since I have this nice feature. Now I'm going to get my hoop and take off the back piece. I'm going to get the boot and put it right over it. Make sure I'm in the center. And now I'm going to get my top piece of the hoop and put it right over it. So as you can see, these hoops are really awesome to hoop really thick items like these boots. You can also use these hoops for bags and jackets, anything that's thick, or even just to make your hooping process a lot easier. Alright, let's go ahead and take our boot to the machine. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever embroidered monograms on boots or any other type of footwear and how much profit were you able to make. Also, if you have any ideas for future projects, drop them down in the comment section below. My team and I will choose the best one and make an episode about it. Alright, so as always, let's go ahead and put our hoop in the machine and make sure that we're locked in nice and tight. We're not going anywhere. Okay, now let's go into the panel and set our center. The first thing I'm going to do is go over to my file to choose my design. Now I have already saved my design to my machine's memory, so I'm going to go to my machine's memory, go to my last page, choose the design and press the OK button. It should take me back to my home screen with the design here. Now I'm going to choose my hoop. When I'm going to go over to these three blue stars, go down to where it says hoop, and now I'm going to be choosing my D size hoop. The machine is going to automatically center itself, and there we go. Now the next thing I'm going to do is go over to my colors, and I'm going to choose the color. In this case, I'm going to be using needle number 1, which is white. So I'm going to leave it just like that, press the OK button. And then now I'm going to choose my center. So let me go ahead first and go over to my needle number 1 to make sure that I'm on the center. Now I feel like this is pretty much the center, so let me go ahead and lock the machine and press the trace button. Alright, so we're in the center now. Let me go ahead and bring my speeds up to 1,000 stitches a minute. Alright guys, so we're pretty much set. I have my hoop already in the machine, already hooped. The design is already set. This design is about 6,000 stitches, so it's going to take us like around 7 minutes to complete. That's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so it's done. Let's go ahead and get it off the machine. Whoa, that looks nice. Let's go ahead and zip it back up. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy watching me turn these boots into a unique personalized item that you can give to someone as a birthday gift or sell to a custom apparel shop. Before I go, I just want to remind you that you can connect with other apparel decorators like myself by joining our free Facebook group, Embroidery and Custom Apparel Mastery. If you want to get the latest info in the world of decorated apparel, make sure you follow us on Instagram at Ricoma HQ. Alright, see you guys next time.